Welcome to this short somatic practice that will help you slow down. Today we will be working with the breath using a technique from the yoga tradition called ocean breathing. The original name is actually ujjai breathing, meaning victorious breath. But I was taught this and I've heard it called ocean breathing because it sounds like the ocean. So I invite you to come into a comfortable place and position. You could sit or lie down, whatever feels appropriate for you right now. And start to connect with your breath as it is in this moment. Feeling the air coming in and out. Exactly how your body is doing this right now. And then when you're ready, I invite you to open the mouth and breathe out through the mouth as if you were sighing. Or as if you were fogging a mirror in front of your face. So we're breathing in through the nose, but breathing out through the mouth with this sighing breath. And could you see if it's possible to let the air come out of your mouth slowly rather than in a rush all at once? Just a slow, extended exhale through the mouth. And as you're doing this, could you notice what's happening inside your throat? And if you need to or want to, you can place a hand on the outside of the throat to help you sense the inside passage, the airway, as you're breathing out like this. So you may notice that there is a slight narrowing of your airway, which is what makes the sound of the sighing breath, that whisper in the throat. And once you notice that and you can create that consistently, what we're going to do is close the mouth and breathe out through the nose, but with the same feeling in the throat, with the same sound to the exhale. So, of course, it is softer when your mouth is closed, but you may need to go back and forth between mouth open and mouth closed a few times. Take your time and find a way for this to feel natural to you. So it's just like you're whispering with your exhale. And on the inhale, just relax, relax the throat, breathe normally. And if it's quiet enough, you'll still be able to hear this sound in between your ears as you're breathing out. the sound like waves at the ocean. Keeping the throat relaxed even as it narrows. The texture of the breath is soft over the back of the throat, like silk. And we're not interested in doing this loudly or forcefully. It's a very internal, subtle experience that allows the body to easily slow down the breath. And those slow breaths are what signal safety, relaxation, ease to the nervous system. So take your time to keep experiencing and playing with this. Allowing your jaw and your shoulders to soften as you breathe here. The whole face relaxed, inviting the body to loosen. And as you settle into this practice, you could also notice the shape and the movement of your breath in your belly, your chest. When we activate this region of the throat, the glottis, we also co-activate the diaphragm. So you may feel the breath or the movement of the diaphragm more clearly. And that happens automatically, not something you need to make happen. So breathing here gently, at peace in yourself. Noticing if you can allow the breath to become even slower. Slow on the exhale, slow on the inhale. Savoring the air flowing through you. And noticing what lets go when you slow down. So I invite you to continue this as long as you would like to. Just give yourself time to absorb this feeling, however it feels to you to be connected to your breath, to be here in this moment. Know that you can return to this part of yourself, this inner state, in this practice, even in a tiny dose of a few breaths. whenever you need to. And whenever you feel ready to, you can give yourself an easy transition back into your day. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope that this practice gave you a little space of safety and calm in your day. And I would love to hear how you feel in the comments below. If you would like to learn more about me and my work, please visit my website, which is linked in the video.